Anthony Hopkins, first of all, what brings you back to the Welsh College of Music and Drama?
Well, I have a pilgrimage every year back to Wales. So I now live in the United States, in California. I often dream about being back at the castle where the old college was, looking for the principal's study, usually at night. I have fond memories of this place. When I left school, it was 1955, I had no future at all. I was a bit of a dunce at school. I didn't know what they were talking about, still don't. And I thought, well, what am I going to do? I mean, I have no future, I have no qualifications. I tried school certificate twice, failed twice. So I thought, well, what am I going to do? So I joined the local YMCA in Port Talbot and joined an acting group. And I discovered that I felt at ease and fairly confident going on stage. So I thought, well, why not try it, as just for a lark? Better than anything else, I can't do anything else. So there was an advert in the paper for this scholarship for Cardiff College of Music and Drama. So I thought, well, why not? And I applied for the scholarship, and I came to Cardiff, tried it, and I was astounded I got in. So I started a 2-year course with Raymond Edwards, and was still principal. And that was it. And I discovered that I think I discovered then that I sort of liked acting. I didn't know what else I could do anyway. I did my bout of national service, and during that time I had time to think, did I really want to pursue this as a career? I thought, well, I've got no choice really, I have to do this, I suppose. I had a talent for mimicry. Not that that has anything to do with anything, but I think I always wanted to be famous, I always wanted to be significant, I always wanted to have notoriety or something like that.
That time at school when, as you say, you found yourself a bit of a dunce, not understanding what was going on, did you take up mimicry really to impress the other pupils there, to show that you could do something well?
Yes, I suppose so. I suppose I had, I had really no self-confidence at all, and I just didn't know what was going on at school, and I suppose it was a way of bridging a gap. I was a bit of a clown, and developed a very good ear for mimicry, and I was able to mimic figures of authority, especially school teachers and schoolmasters. And later on in the army, I was able to mimic the sergeant major and the officers, and I still do it.